Tip number 6, deadlines. One of our recommended best practices is that deadline dates are a great vehicle for you to use to help everybody involved with the project see the due date for any type of task in your project. It can be for a summary task, it can be for a regular detailed task, or even a milestone task. For example, maybe you have a contractual finish date with your customer, or you have a target date for your team to try to attain. You can use a deadline date for that. Deadline dates will always display as a solid green arrow in the Gantt chart in Microsoft Project. Now, recommendation here. Remember I said minimize your use of inflexible or hard constraints. You can use deadline dates instead of constraints like must finish on or must finish no later than, to provide greater scheduling flexibility in your project. All right, so here's the deal. Our project stakeholders are very concerned about our project going into December. Their concern is that a lot of people are going to need to use up their unused vacation for the year. Let's pretend our company doesn't allow you to carry vacation forward. So our stakeholders want us to try to get the project done no later than December 11th to get ahead of all those vacation takers right at the end of the year. So how do we actually set a deadline date? Well, on our Project Complete milestone, I'm going to double-click Project Complete. I'll go to the Advanced tab, and right up here at the top of the dialog is a deadline pick list. So let me go ahead and navigate over here to December the 11th. Don't need to add a note to it because I think deadlines pretty well stand for themselves. So I'll go ahead and click OK. Now, if I scroll out to the right, everybody, I wanted you to see, here's the solid green arrow. It's on Friday, December the 11th. That signifies when we want to try to be done with this project.